Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, children. See, welcome to 8th class. See, a ray passing through. See, yesterday we have seen what are the various types of lenses, and see, yesterday we have seen what is refraction, reflection, etc., and mirror curved surfaces ka formula. Today we will see what are the types of lenses. See, what is a lens? Lens is a transparent medium, मतलब which allows light to pass through. It has two surfaces, दो surfaces रहते हैं, जैसा एक two surfaces, and at least one of the surface is curved. Is it clear? So this is a formula, and it is prepared from a spherical sphere, hollow sphere of two surfaces. Now see like this, it is cut. See, it has got this surface of center of curvature C1 and radius R1, and this another circle spherical sphere with radius R2 and center of curvature C2, and the line joining both the center of curvatures of the spheres is called as principal axis, and the center point of the lens is called as optic center. Earlier we were telling pole, अभी जो है optic center lens में. Okay, now this is clear. Principal axis और ये. So these two are made and a line is joined. But as we consider we normally during calculation we just consider this thickness जो बोलते हैं ना of the lens is very small, and hence is considered as negligible. The various types of lenses. There are various types of lenses. Each of them depending on the shape, depending on the surface, they are named. So see, when it is both sides bulge like this, it is called as biconvex surface. When it is on the flat one side, it is called as plano and bulge like this, plano convex. When it is both sides, it is convex, concavo, convex. ये ऐसा केव हके दो तरफ रहा तो concavo convex. Now it is both sides concave type, it is called as biconcave. Okay, now if it is one side flat and one side concave, it is called plano concave surface. If it is both sides, it is called as convexo concave. So these are various types of lenses. Now what is the focal length of a lens? See, now from this we understand that lens has two centers, optic centers, two center of curvatures, two radius of curvatures, one principal axis and one optic center. Center of curvature and radius of curvature दो रहते हैं ना. So for this side is C1 F1 or C2 F2, here F1 C1. So इस तरह. Now focal length of the lens. The lens when parallel rays, that is from infinite far off rays, when they pass through a concave lens. See, also symbolically concave lens is written like this and like this. इस तरह concave lens short में इस तरह ड्रा करें ना वैसा, you will write like this. Concave lens जो है you will write like this instead of drawing इस तरह. Both of them are same. Okay, now let us come to focal length of a lens. Parallel rays which are passing through the lens, they meet at the converge at a point focus. It is called as focus. For a concave lens, for a convex lens, parallel rays which fall from a far off object on a concave lens, they diverge, but they appear to meet at a point. That point is called as a focus. Is this clear? Focal. And the distance between the optic center and the focus is called as focal length of the lens. Is this clear? So now let us say symbolically, see, we assume that it is as a single surface and thickness of the lens very small, and net refraction only at surfaces. See, here refraction is happening when the lens hits this surface. पहले लेंस ग्लास में एक रिफ्रैक्शन होगा, फिर ग्लास में से बाहर आए तो और एक खुद रिफ्रैक्शन. देयर आर two refractions which will derivation of the formula, but here normally we consider it as only one. Now behavior of the rays when they pass along, there are 5 rules for ray construction diagrams बोलते हैं ना, उस तरह earlier we are in. So that let us go through them. Now behavior of the rays when they pass through the lens. See, I have diagrammatically, instead of drawing like this, I have shown you diagrammatically sketch symbol जो है, जैसा optical शॉप में गए तो या डॉक्टर के पास गए थे, हिल ड्राना इस तरह जो है, दिस इज साइन कन्वेंशन नॉर्मली. सो रे पासिंग अलोंग द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस गोज अनडिविएटेड. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. इस तरह रमक दिया तो इसको कोई डिविएशन नहीं है, ना इधर ना उधर, ना सीधा चलेगा. वेदर इट इज कॉनकेव लेंस और कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, ऐसा भी रहो या ये लेंस भी रहो. इज दिस क्लियर? ये लेंस भी रहो when it passes through. Now ray through the optic center, this P, this is optic center, also is undeviated. Second case, ray through the optic center, both for the concave lens, for the convex lens and for the concave lens. इस तरह it shows undeviated. Now ray parallel to the principal axis, that is appears that converges or appears to diverge. ये देखो, this is the concave lens and this is ray which is parallel to the principal axis. It is converging at one point and that point is focus, whereas this is the concave lens and ray which is parallel to the principal axis, it is diverging, but if you extend it back, it appears to meet at the focus, and this is the rule. इस तरह, if it is dry, it is going but it appears to diverge, so इस तरह, so it diverges. Now converse, ray passing through the focus, if you draw an arrow mark like this, देखो इस तरह you can draw it ray passing through the focus. Let us say this is the focus से ऐसा आ रहा, तो it emerges out parallel. For in case if it is like this, a concave lens के लिए ray passing through the focus, इस तरह extend करो, ray passing through the focus, it emerges out parallel. ये dotted line है, okay? Ray passing through the focus, it has to go like this, but they appear to meet at here. So this is converse. Now ray making an angle with the normal, ray making an angle at the convex lens or concave lens, convex lens, ये appear to meet or appear to diverge at a plane passing through the focus. This is the plane. See, देखो ये यहाँ पे they are making an angle, and when all of them meet, they are meeting at a plane which is passing. Plane मतलब जैसा this is a plane. इस तरह ये plane में meet हो रहा है. यहाँ पे if it is a convex lens, they are meeting on a plane passing through. If it is a concave lens, this तरह concave lens, ये वाले lens में they appear to meet at a plane passing through the focus. Though this is the lens, ये वाला lens है, ये वाला concave, so they appear to meet at a plane passing. So these are ray diagrams which will help you in construction of the lens diagram. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Thank you children. Next class will continue. Thank you.